Hey guys, Shaggy here. Welcome back to the garage. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a short update on my buddy build with Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. I made some progress. I want to show you guys what I got going on, and going to be of a small little tutorial of how I build things. So let me get it turned around, and I'll get you guys down to the bench. Hang on, just a sec. Hey guys, how are we doing today? Let me get you down to the bench and I'll show you what I got going on. Just a second. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but my neighbor just fired up his Harley. Hopefully it's not too disturbing for you guys. But yeah, let me tilt you down a little bit, show you what I got going on. Yeah, you guys know what the model was. This guy right here. This 79 Nova. What I did is I went ahead and shaved all the badging off of this car. I got the body ready for primer. Well, I say ready for primer. It's all sanded down. I ain't got no more badges and door handles and that sort of thing on it. As you can tell, I shaved them off a little bit, and the emblems in the back and up here on the quarters. And but yeah. And there's also this right here, and that came out of the that came out of this here NASCAR kit. And let me get you a little bit closer, show you what I got going on here. Just a sec. I've got to get a new tripod. This thing is just trying to fall apart on me. But yeah, guys, let me show you what I got going on here. What I had to do is hang on, let me get my little, where'd my other one go? But yeah, guys, what I had to do is I had to narrow the chassis a little bit. I cut it right here, right here, right here, and right here, and narrowed it, just so it would fit under the body of the Nova. I don't know why it's not focusing. There's too much going on in the background. But as you can tell, this bench is a mess. But I think it's a pretty detailed chassis. I like it. Let me show you what it looks on the. Here's the floor pan of the Nova. Let me show you what it looks like here. So yeah, it's a pretty good start, I think. And I put a little piece of bar styrene right there just to give the roll cage some structure. And that's how we used to build them when we were running dirt cars back in the 90s and late 80s. We would scratch build most of our stuff, and my dad used to build his out of drill stem pipe. But yeah, I think it's coming along pretty good. I cut out the fender wheels here. Didn't do anything to the back yet. I got to add some more sheet metal back here. But I'll show you this right here, guys. I made this. This is the dashboard, and I made it here. Let me just turn you around and show you. Hang on just a sec. What I did is one of our club members, his son works at a Circle K, and he's all the time getting some like these big I don't know, promotional boards or whatever you saw them. It's a big huge sheet of white plastic. And as you can tell, it's pretty thin. And what I did is I used this. It's styrene basically, which is really, really cool. Thank you, there, Harry, for this, man. It's really cool. It's a huge sheet. See my big old paw there. I mean, it comes in real handy. get you back around to the bench. Hang on a sec. Going for another ride here, folks. But yeah, it's I use that styrene to build my. As you can tell, I've got some more right here that I cut it out of, and here's some more of it right here. It's really, really cool stuff to have around. There's another little piece. But yeah, what I did is I took this and built me a dashboard, and I'm gonna add gauges here. But as you guys can tell, I think that fits pretty well. I like it. See how I built it? Put some little angles on there to support the dash panel. And glue it in there, and that'd be good. Now, let me put the chassis together so you guys can see what I'm working with here. I mean, it goes on really well. I think it fits. I gotta do some adjustment here and gotta, you know, soften that up so just so I can get it to glue to the frame rails. But yeah, show you how it looks. So yeah, guys, I think that's going to turn out really well. So if you guys are ever wanting to build a dirt track car, get you some of those old model kits. Or heck, if you just want to make like a drift car or any kind of race car out of just a regular kit, this would probably be the best way to go. Just get you some old NASCAR kits. They're pretty cheap to come by, and use the cage out of there. Really, all you'd have to do is narrow it this way and maybe narrow it this way a little bit. It's real simple to do. But yeah, it pretty much fits the chassis as you guys can tell. So I think it's gonna turn out just fine. So yeah, that's my little bit of an update with me and Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. Joe and I are doing a buddy build, and we're doing on this particular car here. That's my brother's car, and that's a friend of ours back in the 80s or 90s, and my brother used to race that one, and Carl Rhodes used to have this one. That's kind of what I'm basing this one off of, is on those two pictures there. So let me see if I can hold these up. So yeah, this is pretty well what I'm going with. Still got a lot of finishing touches to do, and still got a lot of bit of a scratch building, but you guys get it. So yeah, that's my update for that, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and appreciate you being with me today. Thanks for just being here. I mean, I wouldn't be doing doing these videos without you guys commenting and following and subscribing and sharing and all that. I just really appreciate you guys. I just watched Link's video that he put up today about hobbies in general. That's a really cool video. If you guys have not subscribed to Link, I would highly suggest you go over there and subscribe to Link. That's this guy right here, Link Scale Models. He just put out a video about hobbies and hobbies in general. I mean, it's a really good video. But yeah, Link, we have to. Everybody needs a hobby, and if you're gonna have a hobby, you might as well enjoy it. So that's kind of what I got going on here, guys. Of course it is, but I mean, yeah, this is what I do. But yeah, I just want to say I appreciate you guys for watching and going with me on this little journey where I'm building my dirt track car. I feel like I'm rambling, so let me get on with what I'm trying to say here. Good Lord, I'm tripping over myself again. If you guys want a shop card, one of these, send me an email down here to rickw7t1@gmail.com, and I'll get one sent out to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And you can pause this and use that QR code right there. That'll take you straight to my YouTube channel. And this code right here will take you to our Facebook group, our local club here. for the Pam's Automotive Modeler Society. And on that note, I'll let you guys get back to your day. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for stopping in. And remember, keep the stash growing and the airbrush blowing. We'll catch you next time. Thanks.